As a leader in the field of student loan law, I believe that preparation is essential for success so that you can leave my office with your personalized student loan relief roadmap. After your initial call to my office, we'll be sending you an email enclosing an intake form and authorizations. The intake form is going to ask for a lot of information, including information about your Federal National Student Loan Data System loan summary, your Social Security number and date of birth, your login, identification number, and passwords for student loan sites such as Sallie Mae, the name your loan was taken out of under your current address, your current marital status and the number of dependents, your employer, information if you've been served with a summons or complaint by a student loan collector. I'll also enclose releases for your signature that will allow me to access your student loan information and a release that will let me access your credit reports. This information enables me to understand your individual mixture of public and private student loans and the status of your loans. Once I have all this information, I'll schedule a 60-minute personal appointment. Please bring to that appointment any information you have about your medical records regarding your disability, your most recent federal tax return, and your Social Security VA award. Don't worry if you don't have it all, because I'll ask you to sign releases that will allow me to gather that missing information. What does your student loan relief analysis cost? Well, finding the right solution for you can be complex. There are 11 different kinds of federal loans with 9 possible repayment programs, a number of forgiveness programs, and 6 discharge programs. There can be temporary detours on your road to financial relief if your loans are delinquent or in default. Some solutions will require a transformation of your federal loans to expand your options for an affordable repayment or forgiveness plan. Regardless of where you are at with your student loans, I'll put you back on the right track. If you've got private student loans, I can outline the more limited options available to manage those loans as well. During the appointment, I'll pull back the curtain. I'll find the best combination of repayment, forgiveness, or discharge programs for you. All cases are unique. Consolidation isn't the answer. My judgment is based on the specific facts and circumstances of your case. My charge for this valuable student loan relief analysis is $500. I accept cash, credit cards, or debit cards payable prior to your appointment. You'll leave your appointment with a personalized student loan relief map, and I'll quote my legal fees and costs to implement that roadmap. If you choose to retain me to implement your roadmap, I'll create and file your discharge application and help you deal with your other student loan debt. I'll explain your obligations as our client so that the discharge application process can be as stress-free as possible. You've got more important things to focus on. Dealing with student loan debt can be emotionally draining, and the discharge application process can be overwhelming. I personally guarantee you that I'll invest my time, my resources, and my abilities to help you on the road to financial relief and a winning discharge application. What you can expect if you choose to retain me. I'm not going to promise you miracles or that your medical condition will qualify you for a discharge of your student loans. I will, however, promise that I'll provide you with the best legal representation and do all that's possible to obtain your disability discharge. I thoroughly investigate your student loans, your financial situation, and your medical records to prepare the best discharge application possible. I'll work closely with your doctor to make sure that the physician's certification accurately and fully tells your story to the Department of Education. Your greatest enemy is delay. If you're disabled and unable to work, you should contact my office immediately. I understand that you have many questions about what to do and that you're worried about your family and your finances. The sooner you schedule your student loan relief analysis, the better your chances are of discharging your federal student loans and starting on the road to financial relief. Call my office now to schedule your student loan relief analysis. Remember, time is money, and the longer you wait, the worse your financial condition can become. I look forward to meeting you.